Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Word document in the mobile app. This ensures formatting stays intact. Once done, make quick checks, page breaks, images, and margins. You should save a copy or finalize changes so the PDF captures the exact layout. If using Google Docs, upload the docx and open it. If using Word app, tap the document directly. Make sure your device has enough storage for the exported file before continuing to export. Now you perform the export step. In Word, tap File or Menu, then Export or Share and pick PDF. In Google Docs, choose Share and Export right arrow, save as right arrow PDF. Make sure to set layout and image quality so graphics look sharp, but file size stays reasonable. Choose a destination, local storage for quick access or cloud for backup. If prompted, confirm page range and include comments only if necessary. Because these options, finish by opening the new PDF and scanning each page to confirm headings, images, and links exported correctly. If text shifts or fonts are missing, re-export embedding fonts or use the Print a PDF option, which flattens layout. When issues persist, clear the app cache, reinstall the app, or upload the file to a reliable cloud converter and download the PDF. Keep the original Word copy until you've verified the PDF is perfect, then delete redundancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.